Oh, there we go. We're back. Okay. What's up, everybody? Here we are.
We got the cold air intake, BBK. We'll put the description in the...
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Put the link of this in the description. Dude, my words, okay. But it's basically a simple cold air intake. No tune really required, so... If I do want to put a tune on, I probably will later on, but I don't know. Nothing to really worry about, but we're gonna install this, take y'all through the process. It's pretty simple. Basically, you just gotta remove this one with a flathead screwdriver. And there's a bolt here. I think it's either I'm not sure which one this one is, but then pull this from, take the sensors off, and install that one back on. That's literally it. Not that hard. So we'll do that, and yeah, that's it. See y'all in a minute. It's so bad.
Holy packaging.
It was so bad. Okay, let's see. I'm not trying to lose that, you know.
This we got the Mustang out here today, boys.
What did I just drop? That was great. So this is the actual intake tube, as y'all can see, BBK. This is the air filter. This is the heat shield, and extra screws. I'm not sure what these rubber pipings are. You know what these are?
No.
I don't think we need them though. Maybe for insulation for some wires.
Yeah, they might be.
Alright. But yeah, this is basically. Oh, it's already dirty.
This is the first mod we're doing so far. Uh-oh.
And I dropped literally everything in the process.
The first mod we've done to the Mustang here.
Besides the X pipes we have on, that's literally the thing.
Yeah. Look at that chrome.
Let's look at that. Yes, sir. Let's take that one apart first. We install this on. Oh yeah. I'm trying to take these sensors off. Okay, some technical difficulties. I'm taking the sensors off.
Yeah, take that off first, boys.
Am I doing this right? No, not what.
So we just took this off from here, and we took that off
And
from there.
this sensor. Now we're to unscrew this thing to pull this part off, and then unbolt this one bolt right here. Which we don't know the dimensions yet, but we'll tell y'all in a sec. But these bolts or these wires are like glued on your car, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
so,
ow.
especially if you've got like an older Mustang that's probably gonna be stuck on there. We just use a screwdriver just to wedge it out.
Yeah. So basically for this one, what you want to do, you just want to move this right and then pull like that and take it off. Or you can just wedge yourself. What I did, we just wedge it there and make this easier. This one's just hard in general. These got like, I don't know what you did. You just shoved it in here.
Yeah, I just like shoved it in there and just flipped it out.
Yeah.
But I'm working on that bolt right there. So we're gonna get that off. Take this thing out after we unbolt it over here, and then we can start putting the intake on. Okay, guys. So that's nasty.
Oh my.
So we got the original intake out. So we took the clamp off of here, and you just literally just pull the intake off of that, and then we took that one bolt over here and you just pull it off. It's pretty easy. So let's do a recap. So you take this off, and then you take this off, then you do undo the clamp here, pull that off, undo the bolt over here, and then you can pull the whole thing out. That's the original. All right. Now we'll put the new one on. So we'll check in a bit. Okay, guys, just a quick warning. Make sure you take out the port for your sensor, the actual O2 sensor right here. Don't forget that when you take your original intake off, because then you got to put it back in this one, which is the new one. Somehow it goes in there.
I feel like an idiot right now, huh? Yo.
But the idea is you put it in there, and then from there it's pretty self-explanatory. You put the little blue cover on this end, and then that could have been a disaster. Okay. So put the blue cover on there. You put it on there. Thing goes over here. You have space. You should have space over here in the engine bay to put the filter and such. And then from there you should be about done. So we'll update you guys in a second. We'll be right back. Okay, boys. So we got this on. So we just literally you put the clamps on, you tighten them down. Come on, autofocus. Okay, so you put the 2 clamps on, make sure they're tight, make sure they're nice and tight. Then you just take this thing all the way down here. Now the heat shield, that's a problem. For some reason, this part is for another screw or bolt, but there's no place for it.
So we decided
one bolt. So we just left it here. Yeah, so we just put the one over here. Now, I think you can just bend this to kind of however you need, however it fits your car. And yeah. Now also, for some reason this is coming a little high, so we had to push it a little bit low. The hood was actually hitting the top of this, so we had to kind of bring it down.
Mm-hmm.
So the actual filter itself doesn't really fit, but we got it onto a good point.
Hopefully it's actually gonna produce some power to this thing.
Yeah, it should, because everything we've seen, it's pretty straightforward. So you reconnect all your sensors and ports and such, and then you're kind of just good to go. That's really all you got to do.
These BBK don't require a tune for this, so it's a simple little thing. Unless like the big ones where it produces more air, so that means you require a little tune for it. But I might put a tune on in the future because why not? But for now, keep it stock or stockish. But yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so first model of the end so far on our 06 Mustang we got here. And autofocus, just there it goes. Okay. But anyway, hope you guys got some from this. It's kind of a hard out too because we had to do some stuff ourselves before we could, show you guys. But we got to a good point. Hope you guys can learn how to do this. Hope you guys can do this with your own cars. And we are beating the old intake out.
You might need this in the future. Watch this thing like fall off mid-drive. Just underneath the car and just run it over.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't just fall off, dude. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I guess we'll see you in the next one. Peace.